In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a fillable form in Canva. This is a super handy skill to learn, especially if you want to streamline data collection or create interactive forms for your projects. First, let's head over to Canva's website. Once you're there, head over to the search bar and type in the word form. This step is crucial because it will bring up a variety of templates that you can use as a starting point for your fillable form. Now you'll see a wide range of form templates appear in the results. Take your time to browse through these options and select the form that best fits your needs. Whether you're looking for a basic contact form or a more detailed application form, you'll find plenty of styles and designs to choose from. Selecting the right template is important, as it will save you time and effort in the customization process later. Once you've chosen your template, the next step is to click on the button that says Customize this template. This is where the fun begins, because now you'll be able to put your personal touch on the form. Canva's design interface makes it easy to modify elements like text boxes, fonts, colors, and images, so feel free to tweak things to your liking. Remember to think about the information you need to collect and adjust the form's fields accordingly. After you've customized the template, ensure that all the interactive elements like text boxes or checkboxes are functioning as they should. This might involve clicking on text areas to ensure that users can input information, or adjusting the size and placement of these elements to align with your aesthetic vision. In some cases, you might even consider incorporating brand elements to make the form uniquely yours. This is an excellent opportunity to get creative, whether you're adding a company logo or playing with color schemes that just pop. Finally, once you're satisfied with your customizations, it's time to save and download your form. Canva provides several download options, which might include formats like PDF, which is often recommended for fillable forms to maintain functionality. After downloading, test the form yourself or share it with a friend to ensure everything is working smoothly. So there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to creating a fillable form in Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful and inspires you to streamline your processes with beautifully designed forms. Don't forget to leave any questions or comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. Happy designing!